Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Van 9101 attestation failure in Valorant. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, this error is generally caused by Riot Vanguard. To fix this issue, first is head over to your desktop and come down to the search box in the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. In the search box, type Add or Remove Programs, and then open Add or Remove Programs under Best Match. Once this page opens, you need to find Riot Vanguard. Simply type Vanguard, and it should appear in the list. Move over to the right-hand side, click on the three dots, and then select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen steps to fully uninstall Riot Vanguard from your system. After Riot Vanguard has been uninstalled, go ahead and relaunch Valorant. When you do this, Valorant will automatically prompt you to update, which will reinstall Riot Vanguard for you. This fresh installation usually resolves the Van 9101 error. Once the update has finished installing, make sure you restart your PC before launching Valorant again. After restarting, open Valorant, and the Van 9101 error should no longer appear. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Van 9101 attestation failure in Valorant. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.